So here we have the NXP S32K324 triple permanent magnet synchronous motor control reference design board. Let's look at the board. So it can simultaneously control 3 PMSMs. So we can see the outputs for 3 PMSMs. And I'm going to use this board only for sensorless applications. Although you can connect sensors here. At this place you can see there are some inputs for Hall effect sensors, and these are the GD3000 three-phase pre-driver modules for each of the motors. There are ample of test points to probe and look at the waves on the oscilloscope. And this is the NXP S32K324 MCU, and we can control the motors using the FreeMaster tool. This is the USB port, USB-A port. So the FreeMaster tool will interface through this USB port, and we also have a CAN interface here. This is a Molex connector port, so only that we can use it only with that, the CAN port. And there is also a LIN interface through which we can use, and there is a switch here using which we can run the motors after flashing the reference user application. The board powers with a 12-volt power supply, which we can see here. The battery, there are some power electronic circuits here, and yeah, that's about the unboxing.